guys, it's Leslie and Lyndsay with Lamb & Co. We're here at our design center and we're going to talk about some of our favorite tiles from Arizona Tile here on their YouTube channel.
We've got two beautiful tiles here that create a custom looking design for a kitchen.
Yes.
We've got Personality and we've got Practicality. The Spark Bar, which is a beautiful tile with some clean linear lines, creating a modern feel. It is a really modern take on that classic subway tile look.
Yeah, I like it because it's, like Lyndsay said, it's real versatile. It kind of can go anywhere. We're using it here in a backsplash in a kitchen. And what I really like about it is it doesn't come in little individual tile bars. It comes in this 5x10 tile, so your tile setters won't kill you because we don't have a lot of little pieces. So we do have a nice little tile piece here. You can put in a white grout. You could even do a black to match your cabinet if you wanted. So they could really go with any cabinet color you want. And my personal favorite is they're really easy to clean.
And then we've got Perla Taj that we're using on the floor. It's got a very beautiful, simple, clean veining to it, which makes it feel very natural. It's actually a tile that you can use in multiple places, and we are choosing to use it on the floor in this kitchen design, and it's going to bring in a little bit more of that natural feel to our design here.
Yeah, and again, it's easy to clean because of the porcelain. It actually doesn't show smudges or dirt, the texture and the colors in it. It's a larger format. It's a 12x24, so we have a lot less grout lines. It elongates the room that you're putting it in, and it's just a nice, clean, neutral staple to the design. So I really like the look of that next to the white tile, the black cabinets. It kind of gives it all that really neutral, resellable look that we have here in the kitchen. So definitely would put this in my house.
Absolutely. This actually feels like your house. Very modern, but still classic.
I mean, if you're offering a kitchen remodel,
I'm just saying, I love these pieces.
I do too.
So in our laundry room here, it's a great place to take a little bit of risk with design.
Yeah.
So it's a fun place to try out new patterns or try out new colors if you're not wanting to do that throughout the entire home. So we started with our curve sage, and you can actually turn this tile in a few different ways to make patterns with it. We're going with the circle here, but you can turn it to actually be just your standard scallop pattern here. I really like the circular pattern. I feel like the soft green lends itself towards that natural feel, but still that pop of color. The geometric pattern does give you a little bit more of that modern feel to your tile. It's just a fun tile to go for if you're looking for a fun pattern, but maybe not too wild of a color, or you want to try something risky, but you don't want to go too risky.
Yeah, and this would still be safe enough for a resale value.
Absolutely.
Yeah. I also love that it's so versatile that we could use it as an accent.
Yeah.
We could use it as a full backsplash, especially in a laundry room where we can take those risks.
Yeah.
It's very durable. It has a little bit of a lift here to the tile.
Yeah,
so
textures.
It's nice, but it's durable. It's easy to clean.
Yep.
You know, any type of wear and tear that we're gonna have in that laundry room, which tends to be a little bit more, we're not gonna worry about it with this porcelain tile here as your backsplash.
Yep, and textured tiles is definitely something we're seeing in design and moving forward. We saw it in our kitchen a minute ago, and we're gonna see it throughout, you know, the rest of 2025 and well into 2026 for sure. And then the next tile is our floor. It's Perla Blanc in matte. So this is a beautiful tile. It's light, so it brightens up the space, but it is inspired after a natural stone. So it still gives you that natural feel of a stone-looking material, but in a porcelain tile. It is matte, so great. I mean, to your points of all
durable and easy to clean. I mean, the laundry room, I feel like in a house is one of the rooms that gets the most wear and tear.
Always.
In my house, it's like soccer gear, football gear, lacrosse gear, name the gear. It's on this floor, it's shoved there. I spray it down, all the cleats. And so that floor needs to be durable and be able to take wear and tear. And that's exactly what this tile does with the matte finish, but also the larger format. It allows for less grout lines, and it'll stand the test of time with that type of material. So I also feel like it's not going to show all of the grime that comes in with our laundry.
And the Perla Blanc will really match well with pretty much anything you put it up against.
Absolutely.
And just make it look that much more beautiful.
Yeah.
And then our last tile, which is interesting, I pulled this, and I don't know, I want to know your thoughts on it, but I actually pulled this tile as our countertop. And this one, I want you to feel it.
Yeah.
It's called Fluida Aria.
Okay.
So it has some texture to it.
Yeah.
I love the little speckling in it. I feel like you can take it multiple different ways. You can take it and pull out the darker tones in it, the darker flecks, the lighter flecks. But what I really liked about this idea was nobody's using tile anymore as countertops. And I felt like maybe we could get away with that in the laundry room. What are you seeing in Reno?
I'll tell you right now, the reason I love this is because most of our countertops are a slab.
Yes.
Right? A stone material or type of, slab product. And those are mainly sold in a, 116 by 63, type, size, a quartz
big.
or something. A very
Real
large,
big.
a very large piece of stone.
Yes.
And when you buy that, and then you only have a small surface to cover, as a consumer, you're thinking, what am I gonna do with the rest of this stone? You can't exactly throw it in your garage to keep for later. That's a large piece of stone to move around. So they feel like it's a waste, or maybe they feel like that's a lot of money to spend.
Sure.
So I think that this is a cost-effective and a very, an alternative that is a good alternative solution to buying a slab of, a stone material for your countertops when we don't need it. It's more about practicality of how you're gonna use it.
And I just picked it because I thought it was pretty, and it went with the design. So
that is just as important, obviously.
Just as important.
I love this laundry room. I love that you brought in the brushed bronze with it, and it's beautiful.
I think this is going to be one of my next projects. You know how bad my laundry room is.
Your laundry room is really bad.
And if my laundry room looked like this, I actually think I would enjoy laundry.
I don't, but it would be a beautiful laundry room.
I could trick myself to enjoy laundry.
That's true.
So in your bathroom, you want to definitely balance the form and function.
Absolutely.
You want to balance that personality, but you also want it to be very practical as well as safe. It's one of the hardest working rooms in the house.
Agreed.
So we picked a few tiles here that we love and that we feel like really elevates a bathroom, makes it feel beautiful, rich, and it also is very practical. So we'll start with our flash ivory.
Well, and I was gonna say, you said we love. I mean, I would say this is probably, if not our number one of our top 3 tiles that we use in homes.
I couldn't agree more.
Yeah.
Absolutely. So one of the things that I love about this from a design perspective is you see how it catches the light. I love that it catches the light. This is the glossy version of it. It does come in a matte if you don't like the glossy as much, but I feel like in the Pacific Northwest, additional light is never a bad thing.
true.
Most bathrooms aren't built with enough a natural light, in my opinion. And if yours is, there's always a matte version of this. These are that kind of take again on the classic subway, but with the uneven or rough edge. It's again a very cool looking design. look to your tile and to the finished product. You can choose different grouts with this to enhance that or to kind of minimize it. But it's one of our favorite tiles, and it's one that we do use very, very often for that reason.
Yeah, I was gonna say, as far as installing, they are fun to install and they are forgiving a little because of the imperfections on the edges. Our guys actually love installing them because they do give a little bit when you install it, so it is a little forgiving, as well as they come in a variety of sizes. So we do have the 3x12, which is what we're looking at. And then we do have the 5x5, which is this cute little square.
Cute little square.
Yeah, which we like as well. And then we have a pencil bowl nose, which allows us to eliminate using Schluter and have that really sleek finish. So I don't know, we could talk about Flash series all day. We are obsessed with this series.
And it comes in a lot of different colors.
Yeah,
so we do tend to go towards this quite often. And talking about resale, this is probably what I would, if anybody came to me and said, I need a tile.
One tile, make a quick decision.
And for resale,
Flash.
this would be the one we'd
We'd say Flash, ivory or white, but we tend to go towards ivory.
We really do.
Yeah.
We like that. We like the variation in the color.
We do.
The next tile that we grabbed for this particular look in our bathroom, and again, thinking of personality and functionality and
Personality and functionality.
personality and practicality.
That's us.
This is Fluida Luminous. This would be our floor in the bathroom. What I love about it and why I picked it with this design is this lighter color, the brighter, natural looking porcelain is perfect to pair with the darker tones. So the darker concrete gray, honed countertop,
Yeah.
and maybe a little bit darker of a cabinet, darker floors. You can see how much it brightens up the space. So this one tile will change the entire feel of a room. So if you're looking to remodel a space or just freshen up a space and you've got some darker colors in there, this would be a great one to make a small change with one piece and really brighten the entire room up or change the feel of that entire room. So I love that it's really naturally brightens it up, but still has some of those darker tones underneath so you can match your existing colors.
Yeah.
Now I'm just setting it all back up because I want to see that beautiful bathroom put together. It's gorgeous.
Love it.
I hope you guys enjoyed this YouTube series. It was really fun to do with Arizona Tile.
Yeah, absolutely. So if you're not following Arizona Tile on YouTube, like, subscribe, follow, do all those fun little things because you don't want to miss out on all the new trends coming up.
And tell us, please, because I'd love to know your opinion, which space is your favorite? I feel like they all really went well together. They're like sister spaces.
Sister, sister.
Sister spaces. I think my favorite is the laundry room.
Mine's definitely the kitchen.
That feels like you.
Yeah. Bye, guys.
Bye.